What's up? Welcome to another moving day vlog. We're here with the Mac siblings. They are just like the most helpful people on the planet and I'm really grateful for them.
Yeah, I've really done a lot.
Jamie's about to be helping me out.
Would I say I've anchored this whole operation? No. Would I say that I am the most vital? Yes.
Jamie's never seen the apartment.
With me taking selfies.
It's an apartment reveal. She says she doesn't even watch my Instagram stories, so it's really a reveal. Today we're moving all of the stuff that I have collected in my house, as well as all of my bedroom furniture that I have been putting in my parents' living room for literally 3 months. So thank you, Mom and Dad. But it was on sale and it was a really good deal. We're gonna set up the bedroom. Are you excited?
The bedroom. I'm excited. I wish that we had been more intelligent and brought your bedding.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
Eugene, but
nice.
you know, you win some, you lose some.
Yeah. Okay, we're ready. Move the bus. Move the Jamie.
Oh my god, it smells good. It's so cute. Your stuff is not gonna fit.
I know.
Without this like fun layout, it would look boring.
I agree.
All right.
All right, well, let's take some laps. All right, we're doing great. What's next? Oh, the bed. The bed.
It's me. I really have to pee, but I'm too scared to go to the bathroom in Kiara's apartment. Hi Kiara, editing. Maybe I should make this a sequel to the first video that I did this in. How are you? How's the process going?
It's going well.
That's awesome. Keep going, you got this. Keep clicking.
Wow, I honestly thought maybe that wouldn't happen.
Yeah, that would work.
I was picturing us taking apart the box in that main room and then just carrying it out in pieces. Yep, okay. The thing I need second is sparkles. Okay, ready?
We're ready. The shower curtain?
Yeah!
Hell yes.
This is like a little mini Target haul. Little bath mat, nice white clean. It's a good texture.
It's really absorbent.
Yeah, it'll be nice. I have like something that'll be more non-slip for it that needs to go under. We got the shower curtains. We got a nice waffle material. Ooh, Kiara, it's feel. Woo! And here are the shower hooks. Can you handle this?
I hope so.
I believe in you. Have fun.
Thank you. How are you guys doing?
Wow.
Kiara said it's a time lapse, but
wait, I'm stealing you. This is the bed, the headboard. I don't even know what it's called, but it's in Pebble. So if you just search West Elm Pebble, the whole line comes out. So I have the matching nightstand and dresser.
I was in my therapy appointment.
So
therapy is normal. Go see, if you can. It's a privilege, but like go see a therapist. Anyway, so I was talking with my therapist and I like was moving from the outside inside, and I was like singing and she was like, you have such a great voice. I was like, oh, thanks, Shalane.
I definitely bought like the cheapest version of this and I'm kind of regretting it.
What are you looking for?
The knobs.
I just checked in the drawers.
Hey, you just checked the drawers, it's not there.
Oh, I need a little power plug.
Where in the world are the knobs?
I'll go look in the box again.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
maybe they're in the
box
box.
or something. Yeah.
So you want me to move the bed like against this wall?
Yeah, it has to be tilted on one side. Yeah, exactly. However you want to do it.
Cool, we'll move this sucker. Okay, bed against wall. We are now ready for the placement. This is the current state of the living room. It's a little bit crazy right now. I'm honestly really glad that we just did the bedroom furniture today. Right now I'm trying to sort the cardboard and styrofoam so that we can recycle properly. This is gonna be my styrofoam corner because this is gonna be a mess and a half to try to throw away, but I wanna do it right.
Someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place.
That my bed is built, so we're gonna go check it out. What?
Got some legs on there.
Oh, it's so cute. We're doing the nightstand now. It's gonna go right there. We still can't find the knobs on it, so it's fun. They gave me a picture frame? Oh, I got really excited. I was like, a West Elm picture frame? No way.
Someone else I would, and like all obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me.
We've run into our first problem. The dresser looks stupid against this wall, like really stupid. It's very strange.
I have a thought,
Okay.
but I don't know.
What?
Depending on how it looks if we switch it, this could potentially
Be a TV stand? I know.
or a TV stand or like behind the couch
Yeah.
or something like that.
I'm wondering if it's gonna make it so that the door will hardly open.
Oh, you're probably right.
By 36. Alright, so where's the door stroke? So 17 inches is how much that corner of the bed is gonna be over. 17 inches more. Oh, that'll work it. Double check this.
Sorry, I'm just gonna incredibly heavier.
435 or 35, 1 more inch.
Okay, then
Okay, we may have to we may have to go farther with the bed, then bring the bed back.
yeah.
Something like that.
It's a little funky. It's called modern art. It's just if that wall wasn't windows, you
Okay.
could so easily just.
I know.
You want to know what else you could
No.
do? Katie's like the queen of reorganizing his space. I have a theory
little
that
funny,
that
huh?
dresser will be moving.
I think this is, it'll just center it between there and there. That's just gonna be the best option you have available. That much paint, that much plaster, you can still open the door.
I'm sad.
Doesn't work perfect here. I mean, it looks better than it did though, I think.
Yeah. Filling weird small spots like this is always going to look weird because you're going to walk in and it's not facing into the room. Like that's what made this weird. Yeah. You know? You have so much more room in this closet than before.
Here's option A with the dresser situation.
I
We
don't
use
even-
it here. It's a little awkward.
I don't even think that's the worst thing on the world though.
I mean, it's a little claustrophobic. Not the worst. I'm now in between either that wall or in the closet.
Yeah, just because it's in the closet doesn't mean that you can't move it.
I think this one might be the best option.
Oh, that looks
It looks the best.
With a round mirror above it, that's
Yeah,
the best.
it's cute.
Yeah, that's objectively just the best.
Yeah, it is the
What are you gonna
best.
do with that rack though?
The rack I can put in my room then. Katie's so stressed.
I can't.
I just needed to come on here because I'm rewatching this, literally dying at how stressed I was about the stupid furniture like not fitting in my room. Hindsight is 2020, and I just think it's literally amazing how cute Jamie and Katie are like trying to solve my problem when I'm just so disappointed that like I spent all this money on this dresser and it's not fitting how I planned. It actually ended up looking so cute where we put it. You guys will probably see in like a couple vlogs, but I just needed to come on here and say that there are bigger problems than finding a spot for a dresser. So it gets a little...
Your ankle down there.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
I like it.
Against the wall there, a waterfall of cactus is coming down.
That's actually not bad if we move my bed to the center.
Yeah, we should go all the way. Yeah. Because the bedside table is gonna.
There we go.
Okay, that could be good. This could be the best setup.
That's so neat.
You also could switch it.
Oh, I see what you're saying. That could be good.
That would be better.
Good job, Jamie.
Alright. And then we can even scoot the bed over a little more.
That's cute.
Yeah, good, because then it would line up better with the closet. Which
Right.
would be better all around.
This wall?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
we
That'll
have
work good. Looks good.
Do we have a winner? This is the final update. Doug's asleep on my bed. This is how we're leaving the place. We're gonna finish this on another day, but we got all of the cardboard into this box and we're probably gonna have to pay to go recycle it somewhere. It's obviously a process and we're figuring it out. I'm glad we got my room kind of sorted out and it did work out. So we will see you when we're dealing with this stuff again. She's so done with me.
I am not.
All right, it's day 2. The next day, we're actually back in Eugene for the last time masking up. I'm gonna return this white shelving unit because I actually already have one in my apartment and it fits, and I'm so hyped because this was $45 and that's a ridiculous amount to pay for a little shelving unit. We're returning this. Hopefully we will find a trash can in this place. I'm really hoping. One Swiffer. Let's get some of these. And then soap, but that's probably a different aisle. Aha, the little baby Don. Okay, now the trash can. See?
Was that the one?
Yep, yes, that was the one. I could try the other Target. They're all sold out in Portland. That's why I'm like trying to look here. We're checking out Pier 1 to see if we can find anything good. I'm not in love with any of these, but there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, what about something like this? Do we think this is 12? But it has no drawers, which is kind of the whole point of me getting something like that for the entryway, huh? Well, nothing we can't live without. So we're going home, we're gonna go eat our Panera, clean up this Eugene apartment and call it a day. And we're back just like that. I'm gonna bring some chairs since my patio furniture is already at home. So we're gonna go eat our Panera outside, enjoy the beautiful view, one last meal in the apartment. Also, excuse my outfit today. This is my cleaning outfit. Yeah, I do not look fine, but that's fine because we're gonna be scrubbing this place. All right, everyone, Doug and I made our game plan. Our goal for right now is to get everything out of the apartment so that we can just focus on cleaning. So I'm gonna run right now to Goodwill, drop off a load of stuff. Doug's getting all the command hooks off of the walls, especially ones that were kind of a little bit stuck. I bring you a yerba for your hard work and dedication. It's a new flavor that you haven't tried.
Lemon what?
The lemon. I've been doing a terrible job of updating you guys today, but that's just because Doug and I have been busting our butts over here cleaning this place. I have done like a million trips up and down the stairs. Pretty much all my stuff is already loaded in the car. There's nothing left here. My lovely father is scrubbing our patio right now. I'm about to wipe down all of the surfaces one more time to make sure there's no more dust or anything like that. My bedroom is pretty much completely done. I just am gonna clean the windows really quick and then that's it. This is so weird and really sad. Oh, I forgot about the pantry. I wonder what state it is in. It might need a little bit of sprucing. All right, BRB.
Snapped by the glinting of those old glassy eyes, trying to decide if it's clarity or a reflection with a careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any closer without touching. I said, I can't put my hand there without going to red, without us both.
We are ready to get out of here, so I'm gonna do the final empty apartment tour, empty, because like I mentioned before, we sold everything left to the girls who are living here in the apartment. I'm gonna miss this place. Bathroom's all empty. I guess we can take the toilet paper out now. It's weird because like I'm less sad saying goodbye when it's empty. Here's my beautiful room. It looks so big and bright. Just the key.
Put the key on there.
No, I need it to lock the door. All right, that's the last look. Wait, don't walk around on my, yes it is. Doug, stop. Just come back. I washed the floors. Bye, apartment 315.
It's a sweet, slow dripping in my vice grip. It's all gone by the morning, you know. Man, always want more in the morning. You're hey, my good God, that you feel so smooth when you come through. I see you on the next page in the wreckage of the family flames, handing out the blankets to the family's brain, baby.